Now let's take up the next question. So here we have question number 7. This says the water flowing over stones in a stream or a river makes them round and smooth mainly due to, and we all know this happens because of the fluid friction. So which option is the correct option? That is option number 3. So I hope this question is also quite clear to you. Now let's quickly move on to the next one. Now let's take up the question number 8. So here we have this question which says in the shown arrangement, 3 half pieces of potato are connected to a cell and LED through copper wire systematically. A, B, C, D, E and F are the terminals marked on the potatoes. Then after a sufficient duration of time, the color of region of the potato around, option number 1 says all the 6 terminals becomes greenish blue. Option number 2 says terminals B, D and F becomes greenish blue. Terminal A, C and E becomes greenish blue. This is written there in option number 3. And option number 4 says all the 6 terminals will remain same as before. Now we know this is a very important experiment in chemical effects of electric current, and as per this experiment, whenever a potato is placed or whenever electrodes are placed in the potato, the electrode or the region around the electrode that is connected to the positive terminal becomes greenish blue after some time. So here if we have a look in the given figure, we can see here that these terminals, let me just mark these terminals for you. This terminal A, C and E are connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and hence ACE becomes greenish blue. So which option is the correct option? That is option number 3. So I am just going to put it into the box as well. So I hope this question is quite clear to you. Now let's take up the next question. So it's the time to discuss the solution for question number 9. Here we have this question. Let's read this question. This says 2 points A and B situated at heights h/3 and 2h/3 respectively from the bottom of a container containing a liquid up to height h as shown in below. So here we are given this container, and in this container you can see these 2 points. I am just going to highlight these points. So here you can see these points. This is point A and this is point B. So this is point A, this is point B. This question says that the correct relation between the liquid pressure at A and B is. Now what we know about the pressure inside a fluid? We know pressure inside a liquid or pressure inside a fluid increases with the depth. So as you are moving down in this liquid more and more, what you will observe? The pressure will become more and more. And if you just compare the height or the depth of this point B and A, you can clearly see here in the figure that A is at the greater depth as compared to B, and hence the pressure at A is going to be more than the pressure at B. So I can write here as point A is at greater depth out of point A and B, and hence pressure at A should be greater than pressure at B. So you can clearly see here that option number 1 is the correct option. So I hope this question is again very clear to you. Now let's discuss the solution for the next question.